Hey everybody, it's Albert Flynn DeSilver here, sending you blessings for your health and safety in this crazy, unprecedented time in human history. And I just wanted to check in and offer a little parable, a little exercise. There's so much collective fear and anxiety and doubt and worry. And there's also so much love and so much compassion and so much courage. And we want to come to, now is the time to be practicing our spiritual teachings, reaching for the best in ourselves, reaching in that highest form of creativity to express support, to connect in community, even if that means being online. Connect in community. What was it Michael Beckwith said? Let's be in community to boost our immunity. I love that. So let's be in community to boost our immunity. Everything has moved online. So I'm offering all the workshops and all the retreats. They are happening at the same dates. We're just shifting everything online. You're going to be able to find all the information on my website at albertflynndesilver.com. Also via email, owlassistant@gmail.com. Prioritize that email, highlight it, make sure that your inbox, it's available to your inbox. And that's where all the information is going to come. I want to share a quick little parable with you. And this is based on the fact that tomorrow I'm going to be interviewed on this wonderful podcast called The One You Feed. Some of you may know this podcast. It's incredible. Here's the parable. A grandfather is talking with his grandson. The grandfather says, in life, there are two wolves inside of us, which are always at battle. One is a good wolf, which represents things like kindness, bravery, and love. The other is a bad wolf, which represents things like greed, hatred, fear, anxiety, worry. The grandson stops and thinks about it for a second. Then he looks up at his grandfather and he says, "Grandfather, which one wins?" And the grandfather replies, "The one you feed." The one you feed. So what do we want to feed in this time of uncertainty? Feed the love, the joy, the compassion. Feed the creativity, the insight, the wisdom. Consciousness, mindfulness, all this spiritual talk comes down to the essence of choice. We have a choice of where we place our attention. So the invitation is to place your attention on your creative genius, on joy, on peace, on community and connection. So that's what I'm offering. I'm also offering a free weekly meditation just to help keep us grounded. It's totally free. It's going to happen every Wednesday. Look to the website, check your email for updates. And till next time, stay safe, stay well, and love well, live well, write well. And I'll look forward to seeing you really soon. Thanks always.